Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert a video to MP3 on Android as of May 2026. Scroll up to go to your apps. Now go to the Play Store. Go to Search at the bottom and type in video, video, to TO, MP3, converter, converter. And then click the search button on your keyboard. It looks like a little magnifying glass. Scroll down, and we're going to go with the second one, which says video to MP3 converter, and it's by Account Lab. And it's got 50 million plus downloads. So click on it, and then click install. Now you can go ahead and close the Play Store. Scroll up to go to your apps. Scroll over. And there's the video to MP3 converter right here. So I'm going to open it. Now to convert a video to MP3 using this app, you're going to click on Video to Audio. It says, to convert files, please allow video to MP3 converter to access files on your device. Click Allow. Allow video to MP3 converter to access music and audio on this device. You can click Allow or Don't Allow. I'm going to click Allow. Allow video and MP3 converter to access photos and videos on this device. You can click Allow Limited Access, Allow All, or Don't Allow. I'm going to go Allow All. Now select the folder that the video you want to convert to MP3 is in. I'm going to go with Power Director, and then I'm going to go with the first one. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off writing a... Now select the format that you want. It's currently set to MP3, which is what we want, but you can also set it to AAC. And then choose the bit rate. It's at 320 kilobytes per second, CBR, right now. But as you can see, there's lots of different options you can choose. And then click Convert. Exit of the ad, and there we go. It says output folder, and it has the name of the MP3 that you just created, and it has three little dots beside it. If you click on the three little dots, we have play, info, rename, share, delete, set as ringtone, or cut. So I'm just going to leave that as is, and I'm going to close this program. So I'm going to click on the recents button and swipe the app up. Now I'm going to go back to my apps and then go to the Samsung folder. And then go to My Files. Now go to Audio, and it should be the first one there. So I'm going to click on it. Now decide which app you want it to open with. I have the options for Spotify, video to MP3 converter, voice recorder, or YouTube Music. I'm just going to go with YouTube Music, which it's automatically set to. And then you can choose either just once or always. If you choose always, it's automatically going to go to that app and it's not going to ask you for the app in the future. So I'm just going to go with just once because I'm not sure if I want to use YouTube Music all the time. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Writing Assist on Android 16 with One UI 8.5. Scroll up to go to your apps. And that is how you convert a video to MP3 on Android as of May 2026. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.